How to connect apps and projects to Keypup. To gain meaningful insights and optimize your software development processes, connecting multiple applications and enabling projects in Keypup is crucial. Connecting and enabling all your active apps and projects can enhance visibility into your end-to-end software development workflows. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of connecting apps and enabling projects and repositories in Keypup, empowering you to harness the full potential of your metrics. Let's get started. First, click on the Settings button located at the bottom of the left navigation panel and select Apps and Projects. Then, navigate to the Connected Apps tab located at the top of the page and click on the Connect button next to the app you want to connect. You'll be directed to the selected application authorization page. Scroll down the page and authorize the application. Your app is now connected and you're ready to select the projects or repos you want to enable. To enable projects and repos, click on the Setting button located at the bottom of the left navigation menu and select Apps and Projects. Then click on the Status button located at the top right of this page and select the disabled ones. Tick the little boxes located at the left of all the projects and repos you wish to enable. Then, click on the Import Selected button located at the top right of the page. You can monitor the import status from this page as well as from the toaster located at the top right of any page on the platform. Based on your project size, the import duration may vary. In any case, you'll be informed via email once your projects are ready to explore. That's it, you've just learned how to easily connect apps and enable projects in Keypup. If you need any further assistance, ping us via the in-app chat.